Hey, what's good? It's your boy Negs, and I know I'm not in my normal little setup, but I wanted to take advantage of the natural sunlight. I received a little package, and it's the Tarte Jessie collab. So yes, Jessie Page and Tarte, they came out with this little palette duo set, Let It Rainbow eye set, and it's to celebrate Pride, which is June is Pride Month. It's to celebrate LGBTQX, and I'm down for that. I'm here for it. It's definitely hard in this day of age. I'm not gonna say it's been really easy being myself, but it's been pretty hard, you know, being gay and a man in makeup and beauty. So I'm not gonna lie about that. It's been difficult, but I do the best I can. I stay humble, down, and I'm just thankful, and I just try to express myself every day through art, basically. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned. Let's get it. Let go. Let It Rainbow eye set. The inside, it comes with a, I think it's an 8-pan. Yeah, it's 8-pan. It's cute. This is so cute. I'm into these little, like, I'm here for it. These little 8-pan eyeshadow palettes. So it's definitely cute. It has some weight to it. If you hear a lot of noises, that's the people from upstairs. I'm filming during the morning and during the day now. So they're kind of like animals. Shut up! There it is. It comes with a mirror. So the signature mirror with Tarte on it. It says Tarte on there. And yeah, there was a protection over the eyeshadows. So that's what's up. And here it is. It's beautiful. It's definitely a rainbow of colors. 6 matte and 2 shimmers. So I definitely appreciate it because I'm a matte fan. Like, call me Matt, call me. So it comes with that, and it comes with a little deluxe size Lights Camera Lash mascara. I like this mascara. I tried it like twice, and I don't own it, so I could appreciate this little deluxe size sample. It's good. I'm telling you, it is good. So let's get into it. So I moisturized my face. I did a couple of things already, like my eyebrows, and you know, they're looking on point. So we'll get right into it. So I'm not a makeup guru or anything like that. As far as the brushes that I'm going to use, like, I just like to use whatever brush that I want to use and dig right into the pan. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of this, what color is this? Go For It, which is their light yellow shade. So I'm kind of setting my my eye primer. I don't want to go into some other pan, like some other eyeshadow palette. I want to use all the colors in here. Well, as many as I can use. So normally I set my primer with a shade that's similar to my skin tone, but this one is the lightest one, so I'm gonna use the yellow one. And why not? We're going colorful today. All right, so they're set. what I want to go in with. I'm going to go in with the orange shade, which is All In. The orange shade. All In. I will tell you what brush I'm using, but these Morphe brushes, it's a set that I got from Ulta, and they're the bronze set. Well, black with the bronze handle. They don't have the names on the brushes, but you know they still work good, so I can't really tell you which brush I'm using. Sorry. I'm just building up the orange color, which is All In. Yes, look at that. They're blending beautifully. It looks like a little fire. You know what? I'm gonna go with that. I'm using the same one brush. I got this little blank slate. I never use one brush. I use like 10 brushes. So I wanted to see if I could use one brush, at least for the most part. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, I'm liking that. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna go in with Hustle, which is their blue shade. Ooh. Going under in the lower lash line. I'm gonna stick some You Can, which is their teal shade. I'm gonna stick some of that in the inner corner of my eyes. I would have liked a highlighter in here, some sort of highlighter. It could have just stuck white in there, whatever shade. There's some fallout on the pan, but that's okay, it's not bad. So, another brush, this is the M124 brush. I'm gonna pack on Happening, which is their like metallic blue shade. I'm gonna pack that onto my lid. Packing it like this. Then I use some Fix Plus. Sometimes I just spray Fix Plus over my face with no makeup on, and it definitely gives you a boost of hydration. It gives you a hydrating boost to your face. Okay. Pack it all over the lid. Yes. I like how the eye is like blue, like around the eye is blue, and then you have that little cascading orange and yellow, like the fire, like the water and the fire. Really? Like, really? I'm gonna go in with this little blending brush and just blend out some of the edges. But I kind of like to blend along the way. Throw on some liner, mascara, and a lip, and I'll be right back. So I threw some lipstick on, some color to my waterline, and some mascara. So what do you guys think? Thank you, Jessie Paige and Tarte, for bringing awareness to LGBTQX, and it's definitely appreciated. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit the like button if you're feeling your boy, and comment down below. Say, hey, what's good? Hey, what's good? It's your boy on Next here, and I know I'm a little bit late, but this is to celebrate my 100th subscriber. I know I'm over the 100 mark, but I wanted to jump right into it anyway. And this is all for one person. I just want one winner. Make it simple. One winner takes it all. So we'll start with the Aesthetica Jet Setter Contour Highlighting Blush Little Trio Palette. This I think is an indie brand. Now to glow with the gods, we have the Allura Glow Kit from ABH. And you know I'm a Morphe fan. I love Morphe. So this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill little palette, the Armed and Gorgeous one. This is the one with the greens and the nudes and the greens. So that's that. So from J-Cat Beauty, we have the Blush Me Cheeky palette. This is gorgeous. I looked at it. It's what is it? 8 shades in here. There's shades for everybody. Okay, the infamous Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This bad boy is definitely gonna go down as one of the best palettes in beauty history. And last but not least, we have the Morphe and James Charles palette. It's definitely a gorgeous palette. So that's one thing we cannot take from this palette. It's stunning. One extra little special gift, Slay Essentials. It's a LED hand mirror. It's a white one from Impressions Vanity. I have the black one. The LED light is beaming. So that's everything you'll win from this giveaway. I definitely want to say I appreciate all the love and support that I get from every one of yous, and you guys keep living your lives and just doing whatever makes you happy and whatever makes you free. So definitely do that. So in order to get into this giveaway, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. So down in the comments of this video, you can say anything you want to say. Just make sure you comment down below because I'm using a comment picker. So if you don't comment, you don't get into the giveaway. Till next time, it's your boy on Next, signing out. 1.